Hi, I'm Mishti Max, and I'm here to share this tasty treat of a lip art. It's made with Fimo fruit slices. I created a summery splash of a gradient lip with watermelon and yellow colors, and then added these delicious tiny little treats. I began by prepping my lips with MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base. Then I plucked up this tiny white pencil and outlined my lips in my usual pointed cupid's bow shape. Then for the center, I slipped into something more comfortable in NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I just slapped that all over my lips. Next I have the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Queen Bee, and I pasted on the ambrosial yellow color to the outer edges of my top lip. And I caked on a thick layer to the center of my bottom lip as well. Although the shade of Queen Bee is pretty nice, it's a bitch to blend and doesn't sit on the lips very well. It's just so damn dry. Next we come to another Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick, and this juicy shade is Watermelon Soda, which I slapped on all over the center of my top lip and around the perimeter of my lower lip. This one is a much more liquid consistency and a lot easier to work with. I kept it simple and just used my finger to blend the edges, tapping periodically over the seam to make these sweet colors merge together. I added more watermelon soda next to the edge and went tappa, making sure to swap fingers because the excess product you get on your fingertip will end up messing up the blend you want to create on the other side. I also went in with more Queen Bee on my digit to make sure I could get more of a delightful smooth gradient between the two succulent colors. I played around back and forth between both delectable shades, fingering my lips till I had a gradient that I enjoyed. I brought up more of the yellow towards the edge until I got my desired luscious effect. Now I've pulled up the Sugarpill eyeshadow in Buttercup Cake, and I'm taking this lush, bright yellow color and patting it over the yellow sections on my lips. This helps set the liquid lipstick and will also help blend the colors. Now I have my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm taking the mouth-watering Slow Burn and the attractive Savage, mixing those two on the tip of my dense fluffy brush and tickling that all over Watermelon Soda. This is really bringing out the richness of the color and will totally help blend out the edges and get a really nice gradient. And then I hopped back to the appetizing Buttercup Cake and really got those colors playing sweetly together. And now I have the tender Scrap Perfect Embelly Jelly and the moist Pros-Aid adhesive, and I splotched on little dots of the glue all across my lips in kind of a random pattern. And I started slapping on these nutritious and delicious, sweet little chunks of plastic. I had absolutely no plan of where to put the slivers of fruit, but I kind of held them up to my lips and decided where they looked best based on the background colors. I whacked an orange slice in the middle, and then tried to find a good place for the apple. I didn't like where I put it, so I placed on the watermelon over the light yellow area. I went for an apple on the corner and a pink grapefruit next to it on the edge. Then I went for a cherry over the watermelon soda section, but it didn't quite look great over the darker background and kind of blended into the color. So I plucked that off and positioned a strawberry right on the edge of the gradient on my lower lip. I found a nice spot for the cherry over the yellow section, and a lemon slice took up resident on my upper lip. I popped on this strangely colored pink raspberry right in the center of my lower lip, and went for a contrasting lemon slice over the edge down low. I wasn't going to use the dragon fruit because it's not a fruit that I actually eat, but it did work really well over the dark background. My lower lip copped a watermelon and also a slice of apple. Then I placed another cherry and some pink grapefruit and actually took off the orange to chuck another dragon fruit over on the side. I really liked the way the citrus rounds looked, so I definitely wanted to make sure I used plenty of those. There's this bizarre green starfruit looking thing, which I don't even know what type of fruit it is, but it was the only object that actually looked really great over the dark background. By this point, I was really hungry playing with all these food substitutes. So off I am to have some actual succulent fruit, and I'm done. I absolutely love fruit. Gotta have it every day. So I was really excited when I got my hands on these scrumptious Fimo fruit slices. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fancy flavoursome lip art, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you want to send me a letter or something, I have my PO box in the description box.